Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today our recipe is chicken quesadillas. So it's been a long time I want to try this recipe, and today I made it. And believe me, it's so delicious. And it's really easy to make. It does not take that much time. Just guys, watch the video till the end and you will enjoy it. You can make it in any time. By the way, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share, like. If you have any comment or anything, please drop it down. I will be really appreciative. Thank you. See you for the next video. Bye.
Friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag do. Oh, you a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag do. Oh.